Your Excellency, President Paul Kagame, Your Royal Highnesses, Cabinet Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I can assure you, Excellency, that we are definitely enjoying our stay and we are well looked after by all the officials here in Rwanda. Your Excellency, let me begin by thanking you for inviting the Kingdom of Eswatini to witness the 2024 presidential inauguration, which was a great success. The cultural performances, displays, and military precision was highly impressive. We also take this opportunity to congratulate you for the successful presidential elections. The massive national participation demonstrates the trust and confidence that the people of Rwanda have in your astute leadership. We wish you great success in elevating this country to even greater heights. We take this opportunity to also thank President, the government, and the people of the Republic of Rwanda for the wonderful hospitality extended to me, Sonkhe S'khatsi, and my entire delegation since our arrival here in Kigali. We are highly impressed with the development that has taken place in this beautiful country, which is a testament to the unwavering commitment of the country's leadership to improve the lives of the Rwandan people. Mr. President, allow me to extend our congratulations to Rwanda for its 30th anniversary for peace. We commend you for your astute leadership in guiding this country through reconciliation and advancing homegrown solutions in social development, economic growth, and other areas that have improved the welfare of the people of Rwanda. During these years, the country has not only shared its formula for success with fellow countries of the continent, but has also contributed to peace and security through participation in peacekeeping missions. Mr. President, Rwanda and Eswatini have enjoyed good relations for many years, and we will continue to support each other and cooperate in various areas. We share a common interest on peace and security, development, health, climate change, and food security, just to mention a few. We are pleased that 2 years ago, our country signed a committed to a general cooperation agreement which established a joint permanent commission. Today, we are witnessing the signing of 4 memoranda of understanding which emanate and seek to operationalize the initial agreement. We look forward to putting this agreement to full effect as it allows the two countries to share knowledge on trade, tourism, economic, scientific, technical, environmental, educational, and cultural matters. This will further help to enhance hands-on skills and international exchange of technical expertise and benchmarking exercises to learn more about human capital development between our two countries. We are alive to the fact that Rwanda has advanced in ICT programs, as we have witnessed from our visit yesterday at the Irembo Technology Company, which supports the government in its endeavor to deliver services and innovative digital solutions. Today, we will also be privileged to visit the special economic zones and tour some of the projects there, which include the university specializing on cyber security programs. We are confident that we will learn a lot from your experiences, since we have developed similar facilities through our Rural Science Technology Park in the Kingdom. We have also established special economic zones, which we believe can play an important role in the development of our country. In looking forward to the future, let us enhance our bilateral relations and cooperation in different areas, such as in the agricultural sector, where your country is well advanced. Our country could benefit from learning of your best practices and technology to improve productivity. Further, our countries are both renowned as tourist destinations global, and there is potential for collaboration in the tourism sector by creating packages that would attract more visitors from around the world. As members of the African Continental Free Trade Area, our visit here is aimed at improving business opportunities for our countries and people. We urge our entrepreneurs to take advantage of the investment opportunities that will be available. We also acknowledge the wonderful exchange programs which has seen senior government officials and business community share skills and experiences with each other. The health sector has benefited from the medical experts who have plied their trade in the Kingdom, for which we are grateful. In conclusion, we wish to reiterate the importance of strengthening the warm and cordial relations between the two countries. May we continue to enjoy good diplomatic relations and extend this cooperation to regional and global issues in fora such as the African Union and the international organizations. Let us foster economic growth and strengthen the friendship of our two countries in order to improve the lives of our peoples. And may I also extend an invitation to yourself at the right time, when you find time, that once you've settled down as the president, if you can pay us once again a visit to the Kingdom, we would be very much grateful to receive you there, Your Excellency. And I thank you so much for everything, for all the programs that has been prepared for us. And we are looking forward to see many, many more places here in Rwanda. We are always well received by the people, and we enjoy to be amongst our brothers and sisters here in Rwanda. I thank you. May Almighty God bless us all.
Giyabonga, thank you, Your Majesty and Your Excellency, for your valuable time today. Our session here has come to a close. We will proceed to the next part of the program.